Congratulations on the purchase of your new vehicle. With MySafePoint included, you get an easy way to stay informed, stay protected, and enjoy more peace of mind from day one.
MySafePoint helps you keep up with your vehicle by sending alerts for service, maintenance, and recall updates before small issues become bigger ones.
That means less guesswork, better timing, and a simpler way to stay on top of your vehicle's health. Getting started is simple. Set up your alerts once, and MySafePoint keeps important updates coming without adding extra work to your routine. You always know what needs attention, so managing vehicle health and safety feels easy and under control. MySafePoint also helps protect your vehicle with location alerts and stolen vehicle recovery features designed to give you added confidence. It's an extra layer of security that helps you feel more connected to your vehicle, wherever life takes you. Best of all, MySafePoint comes with no monthly fees. To get started, activate your account using the email or text you received.